Alright, so today I'm going to just play around with the simulation nodes and geometry nodes in version 3.5, which is still in development. Um, so geometry nodes, let's click on new. I'm actually super excited. Let's do Shift A. There should be a simulation input, and there should be a simulation output, and I'll kind of get rid of this here. Alright, so let's see what we could do with this. Um, really not sure like at all what I can do with this. Okay, so input, output, so great. I'm just here like staring. Okay, what can I do? Um, I generally don't know what to do. Okay, you know what? Let's do Shift A, get a set position node, and I'll change the position of, let's say, what's the green y-axis? Something like that. And then let me pull up a timeline. How can I do a vertical split? Oops, that's not what I meant. Horizontal split. And I'll pull up the timeline. Probably should have done that in the bottom. Can I swap? Okay. Alright, so what exactly can I do here? Let's go back to 0, play it. Well, obviously nothing's gonna... Let's go back here. Oh, oh my god. Hold up. Here we go. Now it's a 0. Oh, okay, it works. So basically I just put the input again because it was a square. Um, and so I realized that I guess it doesn't reset until you go all the way back to the beginning. Oh, but that happened. How about I do 0.05, go back to the beginning, play that, it goes slower. Interesting. Okay, so let me try to understand what's happening here. This is actually like the most amazing thing I've seen because like I'm like so excited. Okay. So input starts at a certain frame and then output. So whatever happens inside is just looping over and over again. It's kind of like Python. So it's like saying, okay, you start, well, no. It's like you start with an empty like list of values. No, you start with like an empty list, right? And then what's going to be in that list is like the positions at each frame. And so what you're telling it to do is, hey, for every frame, I need you to go 0.05 meters in the y-axis, like go further 0.05 meters, or move forward 0.05 meters in the y-axis relative to the previous position, which was, for example, keyframe 2 would now be at 0.01. So at keyframe 2, hold up, let me pull up, where is the, oh my god, where did the Excel sheet go? How do I open that up? Hold up, vertical split. Can I open that up? Spreadsheet, okay. So for example, if I go to keyframe, let's see, I can't really look at the keyframes here, can I? Can't look at the position or anything. How would I look at? I wish I could look at the position in each frame. Maybe I can. No, I can't. Well, can I? Maybe I can. I can take that value. Isn't it this position value? No, never mind. But the idea is that at keyframe 2, it would be 0.1, right? Because 0.05 plus 0.05 is 0.01. So what it did was it started at 0, position 0. So at keyframe 1, it has a position of, oh, wait, no. Oh, no, yeah. No, yeah, I was right. So at keyframe 1, it has a position of 0.05 meters. That's what it starts off as, I believe. Does it start off as? Oh my God, here I'm so like dumb. The position is right here. I was like where is it? It's like right here. So keyframe 0, the position starts at 1.050. Oh, so it starts at 1. It doesn't start at 0. That's so interesting. Really? And then 1 point. No, wait, I'm confused now. I go to vertex, edge, face, vertex. So let's say that there's 10 frames and I run this. The numbers, do they change? They do. But it's the vertex, it's the vertices though, or the vertici, no, it's the vertices. The vertices change. The position of each vertice, right? Right. I'm confused. I'm so confused. Um, I want the position of the entire cube, but that's like, I guess that's a face position. It's not really giving. Hmm. Keyframe 0. Well, yeah, it's 0. Okay, for me, right? If you go to keyframe 1, which is the first frame, it's in the origin, right, in the 3D viewport, meaning that it starts at 0. That is its original position. So if it starts at 0 in keyframe 1 and I'm giving it a position of 0.05, what that means is that by keyframe 2, it's going to be at 0.0. Wait, no. If I go to 0, move this to like 2, it doesn't change, right? Ah, okay. So then that means that, what does that mean? Okay, so it starts at 0 in keyframe 1, and then by keyframe 2, it's adding 0.05 to that 0. So now it has a position of 0.05 in keyframe 2. And if we go to keyframe 3, then that's when it's going to have a position of 0.01 because I'm adding a 0.05 to the previous, so to the cumulative frames before, so including it was 1 and 2. So basically what it's doing is adding. Okay. So from a statistical perspective, I like only understand things when I can compare it to other things that I understand already. So if you look at a normal distribution, right, there's like cumulative density property. So I think of it like in this way. So it's like it's taking well, not the density, but instead of density, it's position. So it's taking the cumulative position of each frame before it and then just adding 0.05 to that. And actually, the cumulative position, it's not like it's adding, you can think of it as literally two ways, the cumulative position, so adding each position, or just the position before it, because the position before it is again the cumulative of everything before. So it's literally just, if we're in keyframe 3, then the position before would have been 0.05 because keyframe 1 starts at 0. So then keyframe 2, you go plus 0.05, that's 0.05. And then keyframe 3 is plus another 0.05 to that 0.05, and that's 0.01. So, wait, am I saying 0.01? That's not what I meant. Hmm, I meant 0.1. My bad. So, to kind of start again, I'm not gonna start again. But yeah, that's the idea. Can't believe I've been saying 0.01 this entire time. I meant 0.1. Okay. So yeah, that's the idea. So by keyframe 4, it would just be like 0.0. I'm sorry, 0.1 plus 0.05. Right, which is 0.15. No, it's not. Yes, it is. Okay. Yeah, it is. Love doubting my math skills. Okay. Um, so I'm just like so confused with everything right now. Like I'm just like I don't even know. Okay, this is as far as I get. I don't know what we're gonna do. If I just maybe do something like 50, play it. So again, it's moving and it's looping basically. So it's taking the first frame and then the last frame that it was, and then it's taking the information from the last frame and then going back into doing the same thing again and again and again, which is interesting. All right, so we got a simple thing going for us. Now I want to do something a little bit more exciting. Just don't know how I'm gonna do that. Um, let's do. Okay, I have a mesh. Let's do mesh 2 points. Or honestly, I can just do points to. No, I could do instances 2 points. But they're not instances. I meant no. Let's see. Instances on points. That's what I wanted. Okay, so mesh 2 points. So I'm not sure if I want that here. No, I want that before. So mesh 2 points and then instance on points. And then I'm not seeing that though. Oh, because I have to go back into zero so that I see it. Okay. So shift A and I can get what am I getting? I don't know. Let's do a UV sphere instead of a cube. Okay. Back to zero. Okay. Hmm. So this is what happens now. Okay. So then, oh, I could do like a train. Okay. Let's do radius just a bit small. I hate that it doesn't update fast. Oops, I put way too small. Okay. So that's what we have going for us right now. What if I change this to like faces? The fact that I have to click on zero every single time. Okay, maybe something like this. Or maybe I could do. No, it's okay. Okay, so we have that going for me. Alright, so what now? So I need them to be moving like individually. So how do I do that? Um, I have no idea, bro. I really don't. Position, that position thing. Um, index? No, does that even make sense? No, because then it's gonna start differently. It's not even gonna do anything. Um, I kid you not, I don't know what to do. Shift A. Let's look at any. Distribute points in volume. Curve to points. Girl, I don't even know. Like, I don't know what to do other than this. So set position. I don't. Okay. Um, if I go to position, where's position? There's no but. What? Girl is confused. Mesh. Um, layout. Frame maybe. What is this? Oh my god, I never even. Oh, that's where those things come from that I see on Twitter. I'm like, how do they get those? Okay. Maybe I can separate them. Separate them. How so though? Like by index? Hmm. Separate by. Oh, okay, great. Hmm. Separate the instance. Mm-hmm. I really don't know. This is as far as I get. I'm gonna have to like search up some tutorials. Um, so I'm kind of like referencing this one and I see that they use a noise texture. And I saw another one also that used a noise texture. So let's see what it actually does. I never actually, maybe I did use it. No, I don't think I ever used it before. Um, so I think that's put into the position, but is it the color or color and position? Okay. See, I need to know the difference because I really don't know the difference between the color and the factor. Probably should save this. I'm like losing my voice. I've been sick like for a whole week. Um, 11 29 22. What's okay? Desktop, Blender, right? No, blend. I'm so confused. What am I doing today? Blends. Okay, save blender file. All right. So let's play this. Okay, now we're going, and it's giving high school chemistry particle YouTube video. All right. How do I slow this down? No, no, nope, nope, nope. Ooh, 1D, 2D. That's so interesting. Wow, that's interesting. 4D. It's crazy. All right. Um, no exactly. Well, I don't understand how this works though. Noise texture, like the like what does it output? We have a color, we put it into the position. How does that even work? Is it like a random thing? Oh, well, that's what we get there. How do I maybe make these bigger? Wrong thing. The spheres. Okay, never mind. And I need them to be more separated, but that doesn't do anything there. What if I do vertices or edges, corners, faces? Okay, let's go back and see what else we could do here. Oh my god, like this video is amazing. This guy like or girl, they don't even oh my god, like literally 3 minutes and they made like this, like the monkey. That's actually the monkey's head. Like that is insane. Look at that. That's crazy. I just need to know what node he used. Oh, duh. Okay. So what exactly he did 4D. That's so interesting. So 4D, I guess I'll do that. Maybe I can bring in a model that's not a monkey. How about I use some of my old models? Let's look at, I don't know, let's bring up Blender here. Where is Blender? I don't have it open. Um, maybe I'll do a human. How about that? Oh wait, but I don't have the OBJ file. I could just download the blend. Download that. I'm pretty sure I already have it on my computer, but I'm too lazy to look it up. So what I'll do is I'll try to download the model from here. Oh, don't tell me it's gonna crash. Hello? Where's my other? Oh, it's right here. It's like, where are you? Okay, beautiful. So what I'm gonna do is go into File, Export OBJ, and only selected. I'm gonna call her her. Yeah, I'm gonna go with that. Where do I have this in downloads? Let's do desktop. Let me create a new folder in Blender, call it models. Okay. And then over here, I'll do file, import OBJ, desktop. Where's Blender? Models, her OBJ. Okay, so now I have her here. What I'll do is I'll use her as an input instead of a UV sphere. So what I'll do is I'll grab, actually I'll go here, just go to the outliner. I'm gonna rename her to her. And then as I'm in the UV sphere thingy, I'm gonna grab her object information node, put her in here, and then delete UV sphere and put the geometry in here. Nope, in here. Okay, let's see if that works. Go back to 0. Oh my god, what is this? What is this? Oh, I don't want to. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Oh my god. No. I want this here. And I want, yeah, I want it, okay, what I had before a UV sphere, that was fine. It's that my original input, I want it to be the model. But then it's still the same problem, like, why? And also, let's do something like this. Rotate on the, which axis? The X one. Whoa, please don't crash. Alright, so then this is what's happening. It's crashing. I'm so scared. What is this? So, oh, I know why. Because it's, oh my god, because it's made up of billions of the little points. Because it has a lot. It's not really a great 3D model, is it? What if I increase the radius to be, I don't know. No, that would make it worse. This is so annoying. I really don't know what's happening. It's a literal walking ball with legs at the bottom. Ain't that great? Well, you know what? I think this is it for today. I don't know what I'm doing. I might follow a tutorial later on, but yeah, like this is a mess. Yep. All right, that's it for today. Bye.